and the way we are grooming the students, rather students have become more proactive and the participations into different forums. Like first time in 2012, we've been awarded as the best telecom management institution in West India in totality. Then a concern is another award which is usually conducted by ASSOCHAM. The reason was our project director with his research team, we have adopted 2 villages in Maharashtra wherein we developed a couple of applications and overall education system onto it. So which worked really function, and today I'm happy to share that it is still implemented. It is not only theoretically on paper, but it is really implemented and has been practiced very effectively in two regions. So for that as a recognition, as ASSOCHAM has done, as far as all India is concerned. Then yes, with Asian awards, like we've been recognized again for best industry interface. Under the leadership of Pandey sir, we developed a couple of products. So one of the product was Swingtel, which was again extension of the research what he were earlier doing. So that recognition was done by Devang Mehta. Devang Mehta is another federation wherein all premier institutions and well-recognized research projects are appreciated. So our director was awarded as a leader, B School's leadership with B School. And I'm very happy to share, sir, IIT Mumbai every year conduct their tech hunt. That is for entrepreneurs. So a couple of our students has worked very thoroughly onto that line, and they've won 1 lakh rupees cash. That was all India with IIT Mumbai. Around 4,000 odd people had participated who wanted to present their ideas in terms of entrepreneurship. So these are our students, those who are basically helping us to grow ahead. Mr. Joel Jose, he is the man who has participated voluntarily in Devang Mehta competition, wherein most of the time IIMs or premier institution participate, or the students participate into the activities. This gentleman has been bagged with the best student in the management category, wherein he has beaten up almost most of the IIM grads. And MITSOT, I'm very happy again with the changing trend of not only of management education, but how you can be a good leader, how you can contribute to economy. So with that understanding, we have established an incubation center. With incubation center, sir, we have developed around 8 products into that incubation center, which is another rare combination. I would start with the Swingtel itself. That was a market need, the tablet needed in market. So we developed it, the application which we have shared. Then Vishwa Brihaspati, that is completely internal ERP that we have developed in-house. Our IT team has done it along with students. And MITSOT Android app, which is, most of the communication what we maintain with the students are through application. Mobile attendance systems. Then regional study of telecom technology transfer as far as rural India is concerned. That's what the major part. It was done thoroughly for education, research, or rather agriculture into the areas. Our director has got a grant from Government of India to develop certain prototypes, to develop and deliver that applications. Trust me, sir, like this is how we have developed ourselves. It's that day one we were emphasizing onto the research part as well as its application onto business. Because we all know at the end, most of the time we engineers someday really do some kind of projects, but applications of it in terms of business really matters. That was a culture we tried to inculcate through the incubation center. The 8th, which is most important, was Easy Patho. It's another the team which won the award in IIT Mumbai. They tried to develop an application through which doctors will be able to diagnose a couple of diseases within probably 5 minutes. They are just supposed to take the sample, and within 5-10 minutes the counts would be taken up. That will increase the efficiency. That was the reason IIT Mumbai with investors, they are probably meeting up now, and NCL has taken up that issue to take it ahead towards patenting side. And the most valuable currently, everyone is talking about the road safety. That is another project which MITSOT has conducted. As far as placement and corporate interaction is concerned, we have brand ambassadors with Redington, Airtel, M&M, ICICI, Flextronics. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, we also have students with IBM. The reason behind it, why we are trying to share, the brand ambassadors are not only restricted to any particular domain. They have moved apart from restricted verticals and they have spread up into different areas, different verticals businesses. Not only that, we have Hafel as one of the manufacturing company who is our recruiter. I mean, recruiting part is concerned, I may not be able to cover up all the people, but very prominent people, Reliance, Reliance Jio, Reliance Industries Limited, Airtel, Nestle. I mean, these are all our frequent recruiters, Redmi. These are all, recruiters, and I'm very happy to state our alumni are really working with such a pride institutions with retention is more than 3 years. So that's the reason probably recruiters are also frequently visiting to our campus. I just take this opportunity to thank and just to introduce to MITSOT to a panel member as well as to an audience. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
New emerging technologies need to be harnessed to ensure that the HR professionals is able to build relevant capabilities in the organization. There is a real danger that if new capabilities are not created, HR may be left to manage base processes and may miss out on the opportunity to influence the board and the line manager's agenda.
Technology evolution is a new mantra of the 21st century, and it is a technology which will take business to the next level. The effective use of technology is also transforming the HR's role within the organization and its ability to deliver the strategic impact. Whether is it new talent acquisition channels like social media or automating the current payroll operations, technology is constantly evolving the HR processes. There are many challenges which influence the HR strategy, of which technology is a critical aspect. Technology as a challenging force is enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of HR function. Based on this criteria, where technology is the driving force of HR, 2 panels have been organized.
Dear all, today our first panel will discuss on the topic from talent acquisition to attrition. How can technology connect with the business of HR? As companies continue to operate in more and more complex environment, it is the quality of talent that makes a difference. Technology is both a boon and a bane to HR, as it is to many other aspects of corporate life. There is a trade-off. Some technology is useful, others are not, and it is hard to have one without the other. The question is, where is the strategic connection between HR and technology, and how can technology expand its footprint in HR space? I now request Shravya to introduce our first panel moderator, Satish Ranade.
We are fortunate to have Mr. Satish Ranade as our first panel moderator, who is working with Wipro Technologies from past 8 years as General Manager. He also has worked with KPIT Cummins and Infosys. Sir has wonderful experience of 30 years in IT industry. He is currently responsible for serving the global customers for Wipro Technologies. Mr. Ranade has passed out as a civil engineer from College of Engineering, Pune. Sir, I would like now you to invite for taking over the panel discussion session. Thank you, sir.
First of all, thanks to MIT for inviting all of us here. And on behalf of the panel, I really appreciate the opportunity to interact with all of you and share the thoughts that the eminent panelists have on the dais. I am the moderator of this conversation, and the way we have laid out the next 1 hour is we have part of my interaction with the students on an ongoing basis. I have already collected a few questions with which I will start and request the panelists to express their views on particular points. After that, we will open the forum for live questions from the audience, and then probably last 5 to 10 minutes, I will sum up the entire session. So this is how the next 1 hour is laid out. When I first got the email for participating this discussion, I was quite excited because the topic itself said use of technology and HR. In my past experience, what I have seen, particularly on the computer side, Computer is a unit where for the same action you get same reaction.